What is up, boys? I'm back with another video. Today I'm gonna take a couple of trades and I want to go with the buyers right here, and I want to explain something for you guys. I was just responding to comments. There was a comment like which market session is good for taking our trades. For example, New York session or Asian session, you know what I'm saying? So the guy was asking about the good market session, but the fact is, as long as you see your setup, it doesn't matter what market session you are. Okay, I've tested that a lot when I was starting trading. Some people was saying, okay, the London session is the best one. Some people said the US or New York session is the best one, but at the end of the day, it didn't really make any difference. Okay, that was a losing trade, my bullshit entry. All right, so yeah, as long as you see your setup, you can take your trade on any market session. Okay, don't even overthink that. Alright, so let's see if we can take a couple of trades. My first trade was a losing trade because of my bad entry. We have a supply area. I will take a sell trade here. I'm expecting a nice retracement here. Also, we have the supply area. You see that this is a supply area. It has been consumed. Okay, the next time price can come even higher. But this, this trade is pretty nice because we have minor downtrend and also major downtrend. So we have minor and major downtrend. Minor trend is the lower scale, like this one. This ABC is minor trend, and if you zoom back, and this bigger ABC is major downtrend. If you zoom even more back, you will see the market has been like going up in a major trend, but now you can consider this one as a major and this one as a minor. All right, so that was the second trade. Yeah, so as long as you see your setup, you can just take your trade. And this is another supply area. Let's see where the market has been touched. It touched pretty strong area. This is a QM level. It touched this QM level, so it's it can go up even more than this. But since we have this supply area right here, I don't know if I should go with the buyers because that's going to be risky. So I will take my trade with marginal safety for better entry, or I'm just not going to take a trade here. Okay, so let's take this trade with marginal safety since we created this high and closed right on this trend line as a rejection point. Let's see if we're going to win this or not. We have this gap up. I mean, seeing gap up here, which it increases the probability of sellers to enter. Let's see if I can secure this one. Since this area is pretty strong area, I can probably secure this trade because this is also a rejection point and this is a QM level. So the market's preference is just going up. That's why I can think about securing a trade. And I hope it rejects fully. We're gonna be in a big win. So when you're taking your trade, please consider where the market has been touched. For example, here we touched this QM level, so the market's preference now is going up. All right, now we are at this supply area, so we can have sellers, but the best entry for supply, like for sell, is going to be this intersection of this supply area here and this trend line. Okay, so I will add this up so I can reach that easily. All right, just like this one. Look at the supply area. You see the supply area. When we break this, normally sellers are getting triggered. Okay, when you have ABC, this is the demand area for the buy, and this is when you have ABC as a sell, this is a supply area. So when the bars cross this and close above this, sellers can enter. And make sure like you look at the markets, the candles movements, because for example, when you have this candle playing around here, right, so you are waiting for supply to work, and at the last seconds it jumps up and closes here, this trade is going to be short shot. Okay, so the speed of the candles are so important. Okay, and now we are at this QM level. This is a QM level, and markets is reacting from this QM level. So basically this trade was 100% beautiful trade. Okay, you might ask, what is QM level? When you have ABCs like this, there's going to be a demand area. When you have a demand area broken, okay, it turns to supply area. So we have the supply area right here, all right, and then we also have this QM level. When you break the ABCs, lower, I mean the previous swing right here, this QM level gets activated, and you can take the first start trade on this QM level. All right, so this trade was a very nice trade, combination of QM and this supply area. All right, and if I show you more examples on QM, I would say look at this ABC, and then we broke the previous swing. This is the previous swing, we broke that, or even if you consider this one, we broke that, and then the next time comes here to this shoulder right here, it's going to react from that, right? You see that this is a rejection point. Let me just take a trade right here, because this is a pretty crazy rejection point. Look at this. I mean, every single candle has rejection. We can count on this rejection point by connecting the common points. I will add one more or two more, let's say here. I'm expecting a rejection candle and closing down here normally. Unless we are super unlucky and the market decides to break everything here. So I basically really respect these rejection point trades. For example, if you look at here, you see these rejections. What is the common point of these rejections? What is the common point of that? Okay, if I draw this, is this common point? No. If I draw this, is this common point? No, it's not touching this one and this one. So if I want to draw the common point, it should touch the most without breaking the bodies. Okay, so this is going to be the common point. All right, this is going to be the common point. So the next time price is here, for example, even if it closes here, you can take this trade. You also have this round number. That would be amazing if you take and place your order. I mean, right here. Look at this, we have another QM here, A, B, C to the downside. It's not a perfect one, but it works. And then we have breaking the previous swing, you see that? And then boom, it reacted from here, and this is gonna be the trade, right? Yeah, I think that's enough for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed today's live trading session. Guys, don't forget to join the Telegram channel. I'm not giving signals for sure, but yeah, sometimes I post good stuff there. Thank you for watching, everybody. Thank you, and peace out.